In this video, we're going to go through setting up your FES Protection Plan membership. But before we get started here, first we want to congratulate you on taking the steps to get your credit and finances in order, protect yourself and your family, as well as have an opportunity to take advantage of the membership savings that are included in this package. I am at the FESprotectionplan.com website. Before we get started again, I want to have you take an opportunity to, or suggest that you take an opportunity to watch the video here. It's an 8-minute overview that will go through and explain to you the services that are included and the benefits as well. And obviously, as you go through the site here, you can see the individual services that are included with your protection plan membership. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into a sample account and then take you through a couple of real simple, easy steps that will help you know where things are at within your system, and a couple things that we have to activate as well. So first thing you want to do is you want to click on the Login tab. Once that window opens, you want to go ahead and your username is going to be your email address. And again, I'm going to be logging into a sample account here. Now, when you first sign in, there's going to be a form that's going to come up. It's a acceptance of terms and conditions. You just want to scroll down to the bottom of that form and then check the box and accept that. Now, once you do that, this is the screen that you will see. And if you look here on this home page of the screen, you're going to see your product progress. And this is going to help you in terms of knowing what items are still left and require your attention in order to get them set up. You're also going to see your credit card that's on file and when that card expires, so that you want to make sure you keep that information updated so that you can continue to have access to the services that are available to you through your protection plan membership. And also there's that same video that I pointed out to you on the home site is here available for you to watch as well. All right, so now the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over here to the left-hand side here, and as you scroll down here, these are all the items that are included in your protection plan membership. You have the credit restoration, you have the credit builder program, you have the credit attorney, smart credit, the My Care plan, you have LifeLock, FES Debt Zero, financial lockbox. If you are just a customer, the life insurance is not included. That is a product that's available for agents only. You have the discount shopping, the YFL Family Mint, RX discount card, FES travel, and the health insurance shopping portal. And we're going to go through here and go through some of the basic products that are included in this package that require some setup, or that you need to know, where the information is at, so that you can easily access that. So let's start with the credit restoration tab, and you want to click that tab here. And again, when you come to this page here, again, there's a video here for you to watch so that you can understand the credit restoration process, and it'll tell you when you've successfully activated your services. Now, to access your portal specific to the credit restoration, what you want to do is you want to come over here to the right-hand side, and you're going to see this link here that says Access Your Account. You want to click on that. And then once you get to this page here, there may be another acceptance agreement here that you have to scroll down and select. And then once you do that, you'll see this dashboard here. So you're going to see your first thing you're going to see is you're going to see your credit score. Some information with regard to how credit scores are calculated. And then there's information here over to the right, customer support, payment department, ID documents, and customer processing department. So you have phone numbers and email addresses there to contact the corporate office. Now, across the top here, you're going to see progress report, process report, PDF disputes, ID documents, understanding your dispute letters, credit education, establishing credit, debt and collections, students and seniors information, again, with regard to credit. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is come to the ID documents, select that, and there's a couple of documents that you need to get up to the corporate office if you've not already done that. And that's going to be your verification documents. Now, when you scroll down here, you're going to see identity verification, document status most likely is going to say missing. So what you're going to do is you're going to select from one item from both of these here, Social Security verification documents. Select one of these items. Verification documents for your address verification, you're going to select from one of these items here, and you're going to email them. Preferably, you can fax them, or you can also mail them. Obviously, if you email them, that's going to get the documents there quicker. Now, if you have those documents on your hard drive, or if you put them onto your hard drive, you can upload those by simply selecting Access Website and then follow the instructions as they come up. So once you've sent your documents up through email, and an easy way to do that is to simply take a picture with your smartphone of your driver's license, if it has your current address on it, and your Social Security card, or one of the documents that you select here from the list. Take a picture with your smartphone, and then you can email that directly to documents@united-credit.org or documents@myfes.net. Either one of those email addresses will work. In about 48 hours, 48 to 72 hours, if you come back in here, you'll see it will show that those items have been complete. Now, you're also going to be able to track your progress as you go through the credit restoration program. So you have the progress report here. If you select on that, once your information has been uploaded, the documents have been received, you're going to see a summary of the items that are on your credit report that are going to be in the dispute process. And you'll also be able to view the individual reports, Experian, and if you select the little button there, it'll show you your Equifax, and as well you have the ability to view your TransUnion. You also have the progress report here, where you'll be able to track communication in terms of documents that are being sent to the corporate office, as well as documents that you receive from the corporate office. And after the first set of disputes are mailed to you, you will have the option of being able to download your documents, your next set of dispute letters, based on your results directly through the system. You'll be able to opt in to receive those, and then you'll simply come to this website and download those documents. Now, you'll receive an email from the processing center once those documents are available for you to download. So that pretty much wraps up the credit restoration portion of the tracking portal or progress report and educational portal. And I just would encourage you to make sure that you go through, get familiar with this portal, go through the educational information that's in here. I can assure you that you will learn a lot with regard to credit and helping you to continuously build and maintain a good credit score. Okay, so the next item that we're going to be talking about here that needs to be has some setup that's involved is your Smart Credit. You want to click on Smart Credit, go through the information that's on the screen here when you do pick Smart Credit. That way you understand a little bit about what's all involved here. So what we need to do is we need to get you set up in the Smart Credit website. It is a third-party site, so we need to get you registered in their site so that you will have access to your credit reports and your credit scores 24/7. So what you're going to do is come over here to Not a Member, Sign Up Now, and select that. Now, once you are at the Smart Credit website, you will see the FES Protection Plan logo here. You'll also see Member Secure Login. But before you select that, you want to come down here and select Get Started Now, because again, we have to get you registered in their site. And since they are going to be providing you with your credit reports and credit scores, they want to make sure that they verify your identity and who you are. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to register. You're going to put in your name, last name, email. You're going to set up a different password for this site. Make sure that you write that down so that you can go back and reference that if you ever forget it. And then it's also going to ask you for your Social Security number. You do not need to put anything in the sponsor code. Once you've completed that, just hit submit and continue, and then what will happen is it'll ask you some questions with regards to previous address, perhaps old loans that you may have had, information to again verify your identity. And then the last part of the process is it's going to ask you to put in your payment information, debit card or credit card. Now, part of the verification process is a $1 debit, one time forever, from your bank account. It does not bill you monthly. It's going to debit that $1 one time, and again, it's just a way to verify you so that the system knows that it's you, and it can provide you with your personal information, again, being your credit reports, and your credit scores. Now there will be, and then the final step, it will ask you to log into the account. Just leave everything defaulted as it is, and log into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, there's going to be a tutorial video that will walk you through accessing the different areas in your smart credit system, which includes not only your credit reports and credit scores for auto and insurance, as well as your credit score, but as well a financial management system where you can connect all of your financial accounts into one portal and receive alerts with regards to those accounts and your credit. So you want to make sure that you go in and get everything set up and take full advantage and utilize this service to help you keeping on track with your credit as well as your finances. Okay, so I'm back again at the FES Protection Plan portal. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to come down to LifeLock. Now, LifeLock is your identity theft protection. Somebody's identity is stolen every 3 seconds in this country, so this is an extremely important piece, and certainly as you're rebuilding your credit and get your finances back in order, the last thing that you want to have happen is somebody somehow get your information and then use your credit or access your accounts, that type of thing, because it just wreaks havoc, and it's a very, very costly and time-consuming process to correct once it's happened. So LifeLock is the industry leader in identity theft protection, and again, it's included in your protection plan membership. So once you come to this to the LifeLock icon and you select that, you want to read the information here on this page. Now, the activation note says to begin your identity theft protection service through LifeLock, you must activate your account by clicking the Activate Your Service button on the top right. New clients require a processing time of up to 15 days after clicking the Activate Your Services button. So you're going to receive an email from LifeLock with your login credentials so that you can log into your online account. Now, included with this program is Wallet Lock, and you'll be able to enter the content of your wallets into their system. And if you ever lose your wallet, rather than having to call the individual credit card companies or banks, you could simply call LifeLock. They will stop everything, shut everything down, and also reorder all of your new cards. So it's just a great way to make sure that you don't miss anything. Again, if something does happen and you end up losing your wallet, you're covered. Now, they do also offer a $1 million service guarantee. If somebody does steal your identity while you are a member of LifeLock, they will spend up to $1 million to make you whole again. So just an awesome program. Okay, so those are the 3 things that you need to do in order to get things set up, and really your focus may be on the credit right now. So we've got the credit restoration piece going. You want to make sure that you go in and review the information again in your credit builder program. A lot of great information in there. The credit attorney is available to you if we run into issues with regard to federal violations, either with the credit reporting agencies or any collection companies. We can engage them, and again, that's included as part of your package. The MyCare plan is your estate planning package, your will, trust, financial, and healthcare power of attorney. Certainly extremely important documentation to help protect your family and your assets. You definitely want to make sure that you go through, complete the information, make sure that you get that submitted to the office so that your documents can be printed for you and put into a binder, mailed back to you. There will be little tabs on there where you need to sign and have those documents notarized so that they are indeed in effect. And if something, again, were to happen to you, you have those documents in place. a very, very awesome program. Definitely something you want to take the time and make sure that you complete those. You have the FES Debt Zero program. This is a great program for you to help you to understand how to most effectively pay off your debt. You want to simply click on that. There's a website that you'll access, and you'll enter in your information regarding your personal debt, like your mortgage, car payment, any credit cards, medical debt, student loans, anything like that. Put in your income, and it will help you understand what's the most effective way to pay off all of your debt, saving you thousands and thousands of dollars in interest payments, and greatly reduce the time frame that it may be taking you right now to pay off your debt, typically by a third, if not more. You also have the financial lockbox, which is a virtual safety deposit box. You simply tell it where things are at. And again, if something were to happen to you, it will notify whoever it is that you designate to be the recipient of that information, so that they know where things are at, like your life insurance policy, bank account, perhaps retirement accounts, real estate, that type of thing. You also have the discount shopping. If you shop online, you can do the same thing through this system. Shop at your favorite retailers and receive cash back. You have the Family Mint program. If you have young children in the home, this is a great program because it will help to educate them about finances. It'll help to educate them about credit. Definitely what we are all about in terms of our company mission, to help educate people and help to make them more financially literate. You also have the RX discount shopping card, where you can save anywhere from 10% to 85% on most generic and name brand drugs. You can also shop for the lowest price for that specific prescription that you have at pharmacies in your area. So just a great way to save some money. You also have the FES travel portal. And I'm sorry, this is one other account that you have to set up. So you want to make sure that you go in and set up your account with a unique password, and you will have access to discounts on hotels, flights, and cars. On the hotels, I can tell you that I've experienced up to 51% savings. So another great savings program included with your FES protection plan membership. The health insurance, again, this is a pricing engine. You tell it what you're looking for in terms of health, Medicare, vision, dental, short-term, small business, critical illness, or travel. And it will go out and shop for those services for you. And it's just a great way to make sure that you have the types of coverage that you're looking for at the best possible rates. So again, super excited to have you as a protection plan member. I know that if you go in and utilize the services, and if you stay plugged in to our system, that you will absolutely get the results that you're looking for with regard to your credit, your finances, and as well have an opportunity to save yourself some money. Now, if you have any questions, you can call customer support at area code 248-848-9065. They are available Monday through Friday from 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time.